Imagine waking up to a world where everything just works. Your coffee brews itself, your emails are organized before you even open your laptop, and your car practically drives you to work. Sounds like the future, right? Well, what if I told you this isn't the future? This is AI, already shaping our everyday lives in ways you might not even realize. Let's dive in. Artificial intelligence is no longer just science fiction. It's here, and it's quietly transforming how we live, work, and play. But AI isn't just about robots or futuristic tech. It's woven into the small, everyday moments of our lives. From the apps we scroll through to the devices we rely on, AI is everywhere. And today, we're breaking it all down. Let's start with something you probably use every day, your smartphone. Ever wonder how your phone knows what word you're about to type? That's predictive text, powered by AI. Or how your favorite music app seems to get your vibe with those perfectly curated playlists. Yep, that's AI too. It learns your preferences, analyzes your habits, and delivers exactly what you want, even before you know you want it. Now let's talk about your home. If you've ever said, "Hey Alexa, turn on the lights," you've already experienced AI in action. Smart home devices like Alexa and Google Assistant are driven by voice recognition technology. They don't just understand you, they learn from you. Over time, they get better at predicting your needs, whether it's reminding you about an appointment or playing your favorite podcast. AI doesn't stop at home. It's revolutionizing the workplace too. Tools like Grammarly use AI to polish your emails and reports, while platforms like Zoom can now filter out background noise during your calls. And for all the creative minds out there, AI tools can generate ideas, edit videos, and even create artwork. It's like having an extra team member who never takes a coffee break. Ever used Google Maps or Waze? AI is the secret sauce behind those real-time traffic updates and super efficient routes. And self-driving cars? They're not science fiction anymore. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are using AI to teach cars how to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and get you from point A to point B safely. And let's not forget entertainment. Binge watching your favorite series? Platforms like Netflix and YouTube use AI to recommend shows and videos based on what you've watched. Even gaming is getting an AI upgrade with smarter opponents and more immersive experiences. So, whether you're streaming a movie, asking your smart speaker for the weather, or navigating through traffic, AI is working quietly in the background, making life easier and more connected. But here's the big question. How far should we let AI go? Because as much as it's helping us today, it's also shaping the future. And that's something worth thinking about. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into how AI is changing the world. And let me know in the comments. What's your favorite AI-powered tool or feature? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.